ಹಾಯ್ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನೆನ್ನೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು SDA ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಬೆಬಲ್ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ಉತ್ತರನೇ ಅಂತಿಮ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಿಂದ ಬರುವಂಥ ಉತ್ತರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಕಾಯಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳೇನೇನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 to 4 have an expression which can be replaced by a sign word. Choose the most appropriate word from the among the alternatives and shade black and the correct answer ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದಂಥ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಫಾರ್ ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಒಪೆರಾ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4 ಲಿಬ್ರೆಟಾಸ್. So third question, a small vegetable of the onion family is called shallot. Fourth question, the science or practice of drawing maps is called cartography. Next direction ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. In question number 5 to 8, there is a relationship between the given two words. A similar relationship exists between one pair of words from amongst the four options. Identify the correct pair of words that has a similar relationship as the given pair of words and shade blacken the corresponding circle in your answer sheet ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಗರ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ಪೇಯ್ನ್ ಕ್ರೈ. ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ. ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಒನ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್. Option 4 writer book is the solution. Eighth question, explain clarify. So first one derive ascertain ಅಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 9 to 13 ಆರ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರೇಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್. ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇಡ್ ದ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಒಂಬತ್ತನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಆ್ಯನ್ ಏರ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಫ್ಲೈಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಫಾಸ್ಟರ್. ಟೆಂತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೌಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್. 11th ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಮುಂಬೈ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಹಾಟರ್. 12th question, Ravi is the dash boy in the class. He is the strongest boy in the class. 13th question, Swami is a dash man. So he is a wise man. Next direction ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ question number 14 to 20 are designated to test your ability to use the right prefix and a prefix so that the word conveys the meaning given in the brackets. Choose the most appropriate answer from the alternatives given below. To complete the word by adding a prefix and shade black and the corresponding answer in your answer sheet ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಒಂದು, ಅದರ ಥರ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. 14th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ವಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೀ ದ ಅಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಐಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಡಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 15th question, NASA is searching for dash terrestrial intelligence outside the earth anta. So that is option 4 extra is the solution. 16th question, the girl was annoyed by his dash sensitive remarks anta ide. No concern for other feelings anta. That is in anna ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 17th question, our inner strength will dash able us to prevail over life's obstacles ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಇ ಎನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 18th, ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಲಿಂಗ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಲಿಂಗ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್. 19th, ದ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಚೇರ್ಡ್ ದ ಗ್ಲೇಡಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಆಂಫಿ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್. 20th ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಹಿ ಗೇವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ taking not to leave the country before the trial, that is under. Direction next ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 21 to 27 have incomplete sentences requiring the correct phrase to be filled in the blank. Fill in the blanks with the correct phrase from the alternatives given below and shade blacken the corresponding circle in your answer sheet ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 21st, I can't dash all events of my childhood. That is option 1, call up. 22nd question, the chief guest dash the prizes to be winners. So that is gave away. 23rd, he has dashed several arguments in support of the case, that is brought out. 24th question, the police were able to dash the rebellion is called put out. 25th, he dashed his views before the audience, that is set on. 26th question, nobody wanted to dash with any project in their neighborhood, that is go forward. Searching in the library, she dashed a valuable manuscript, that is came across. Next direction ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. In question number 28 to 32, there are sentences which are divided and numbered into 3 parts, and one of the parts may contain an error. Identify the errors by 1, 2, 3 given under the parts of the sentences. If there are no errors, mark for no error, shade blacken the corresponding circle in your answer sheet ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 28th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 28th ಕ್ವಶನ್, that a referee sees that a boxer is hurt, he should stop the fight. No error ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರರ್ ಇದೆ. 29th question, the effects of technology on our lives are endless. No error. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನಂಬರ್ 30th question, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಯು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಗಬೇಕು. 31, ಮೋರ್ ಮನಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್. ನೋ ಎರರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಎರರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 32nd question, ಎವ್ರಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ಲಂಚ್. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ಲಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ THERE ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ದೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, THEIR ದೇರ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 33 to 39 deals with your ability to use appropriate preposition. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate preposition and shade blacken the correct answer from the option given below in your answer sheet. So 33rd question, the timetable has been in force dash Monday last. That is option 3, since. 34th question, found guilty dash stealing, he was imprisoned for 6 months. For. 35th question, why did you confine your secrets dash a stranger? It is option 4, 2. 36, judge dash the results, the policy of the government was essentially successful. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ option 2, by. 37th question, we were dash a loss to know what you mean by your remark. That is option 1, at. 38th question, let me first acquaint you dash the facts. That is with. 39th question, it is dangerous to intrude dash the enemy's camp. That is option 3, into. Next is, you have to complete the proverb by selecting the correct answer from the option given below each question and fill in the blanks with the appropriate word so that the proverb conveys the meaning given in the brackets ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So 40th question, a burnt child dash the fire. That is dreads the fire. So 41st question, barking dogs dash bite. That is seldom. 42nd question, familiarity breeds. Option 2, contempt. 43rd question, dash is the soul of wit. That is brevity. 44th question, prosperity makes many friends dash tries them, adversity tries them. Next directions, in questions number 45 to 49, each question contains a paragraph of 6 sentences. The first and the 6th sentences are given in the beginning and the end, numbered 1 and 6 respectively. The 4 sentences in the middle are jumbled and labeled PQRS. You must identify the proper order of these 4 sentences ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 45th ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ 45th ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ SQPR ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 46th ಕ್ವಶನ್, once 2 enemy goats were walking in a valley. So this is the question and option 2 QRPS is the solution. And 47th question, on a summer day a hungry fox was moving about for eating something. So idike option 1 RPSQ is the solution. 48th question, there were many rats in a house. So this paragraph you have 4th is a solution. So 49th question, birds meet to choose a king. So for this option 4 is the solution. So the next directions is read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Question number 50 to 54. Your answer to these questions should be based on the passage only ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So passage ನ read ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು answer ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So the first question is, the wicked snake lived in option 1 a road. 51st question, the holy man reacted by option 3 talking to the snake gently. 53rd question, the snake kept its promise to the holy man by leading a life of innocence and non-violence. That is, the 4th option is correct. 53rd question, when the people discovered that the snake was harmless, they treated it mercilessly. So this is option 3 is correct. 54th question, what is the story in the passage about ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So option 1, the kind and gentle approach may be the best way to win the person. So next directions, read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Question number 55 to 58. Your answers to these questions should be based on the passage only ಅಂತ. Again passage based questions ಗಳಿದೆ. 55th question, how Tagore turned cosmopolitan anta. That is option 2, as he observed western and eastern culture. 56th question, Tagore had a strong poetic sense besides. So option 2, proficient in music and art. 57th question, the word honored Tagore as poet, educator, Gurudev, all of the above. So all of the above is the solution. 58th question, what do the word cosmopolitan suggest in the passage? That is option 2, worldwide. So the next direction is, for question number 59 to 65, an idiom or phrase has been used in the sentences. You have to choose the option which explains the correct meaning of that and shade black and the correct answer in your answer sheet ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 59th question, their trip was cancelled as it was raining cats and dogs. That is raining heavily. 60th question, Varudha doesn't like watching cricket. It is not her cup of tea. That is something that discourages her. 61st question, John passed his exams with flying colors. That is with a good scores ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 62nd, Papa keeps a straight face even while cracking a joke. That is option 1, has no expression on his face. 63rd question, ever since Shubha got her new job, she has been on cloud 9. That is extremely happy. 64th question, if you break rules you will land yourself in the soup. That is in trouble. 65th question, the train to Mumbai was cancelled at the 11th hour. That is at the last minute. So next directions, for questions number 66 to 73, a word is given followed by 4 options. You have to select the option which explains the meaning of the word and mark the correct answers in your answer sheet ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 66th question, annihilate. So this is for option 3, destroy completely ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 67th, colossal. That is option 3, huge. 68, diligent. That is hard working. 69th question, excursion, that is short trip. 70th, foliage, that is leaves. 71st, prolific. For this, option 3, fertile. 72nd question, solitary. Option 3, single. 73rd question, well versed, that is option 1, highly experienced. Next directions, for question number 74 to 81, 4 words are given and one of those words is correctly spelt. You have to identify the word with the correct spelling and mark the correct answer in your answer sheet ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 74th ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 75th ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಡೆಸೆಸರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4. 76th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗ್ಲೇಸಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1. 77th ಕ್ವಶನ್ necessitate, that is option 4. 78 camouflage, that is option 3. 79th ascertain, that is option 3. 80 flamboyant, that is option 2. 81st perennial, that is option 2. Next directions, question number 82 to 86 are designed to test your knowledge of common errors that appear in usage and application of English language. Each question has 4 sentences, out of which 3 are incorrect and 1 is correct due to grammatical error or due to wrong usage of words. You have to select the correct sentence from the 4 options given and shade blacken the corresponding answer in your answer sheet. So ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 82nd ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. 83rd ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4 ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. 84th ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. 85th ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. 86th ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. Next directions, to answer questions number 87 to 93, choose the word or phrase which is synonym or nearest in meaning to the word or phrase underlined and shade blacken the corresponding circle in your answer sheet ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 87th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ದ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾವ್ಯಾಗಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ ಅಂತ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ lavish, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 is correct. 88 Amitabh Bachchan always looks debonair, that is elegant. 89 the military coup in Myanmar caused a furor, that is turmoil, option 4. 90th question, the explorers undertook a hazardous trek up the mountain, that is dangerous, option 2. 91st question, Major Rao had an illustrious career in the army, that is distinguished. The minister built a palatial house in the village, that is option is luxurious. 93rd Muhammad Rafi was a legendary singer, that is option 2 mythical. Directions, to answer question number 94 to 100, choose the word which is an antonym or the most opposite in meaning to the word underlined and shade blacken the corresponding circle in your answer sheet ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 94th question, Mr. Rahul made his secretary's life miserable, that is number 2 happy. 95th question, the speaker was frequently interrupted, option 2 rarely. 96th question, it was a laudable achievement, that is option 3 shameful. 97 the winner of the literary prize was an obscure writer, that is number 1 famous. 98th question, he participated in all the competitions, that is option 1 observed. 99th question, the patients had to be isolated, number 4 accessible is the answer. 100th question, he raced to the station but missed the train, that is option 1 strolled. ಸೊ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಈ ದಿನ ನಾನು ಜನರಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೋಪ್ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.